Hey everyone! Today let's talk about an essential skill in affiliate marketing, and that is a keyword research. What exactly is keyword research? In simple terms, keyword research is the process of finding the words or phrases people type into search engines like Google or Bing when looking for information, products, or services. These words, called keywords, are the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you create. Why is it important? Keyword research helps you understand what your audience is interested in so you can create content that matches their needs. If done right, it can bring more visitors to your website, boost your rankings in search engines, and ultimately lead to more sales through your affiliate links. Here's how it works. Imagine you're promoting fitness gear. You might start by researching terms like best workout shoes, affordable gym equipment, or yoga mats for beginners. Once you find these keywords, you can create blog posts, videos, or social media content tailored to those searches. This increases the chance of people finding your content and clicking your affiliate links. How to do keyword research? Step 1. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Jaxi, or SEMrush to find popular keywords in your niche. Step 2. Look for a balance between high search volume and low competition. These are often the best opportunities. Step 3. Analyze related keywords or long-tail phrases like best running shoes for flat feet for more targeted traffic. Quick tip: don't just focus on keywords with highest search volume. Sometimes smaller, niche-specific keywords can bring in a more engaged audience who are ready to take action. So that's a quick intro into keyword research in affiliate marketing. Hope this clears it up, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. See you in the next one.